Mohan Das. We actually tied up last year with Bandra BMC for the Bandra Beautification Project. Within this, we take areas within the neighborhood and beautify them. Artist for this is Sangeeta Babani. So we have gone ahead, we beautified this shop. We did one last year as well. We have a couple of more lined up for this year. So hopefully, since we construct here, we'd like to beautify the neighborhood and give back as well.
जैसे आपने कहा कि और भी कहीं के डेवलपमेंट
यहाँ पे पालीर पे ऑलरेडी हो गया है, ये टर्नर रोड पे है. ये साल पे एक दो और है, वो आपको पता पड़ जाएगा. वे जस्ट फाइनलाइजिंग द लोकेशन एंड डिजाइन फॉर इट.
आशीष जी यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं उनका स्वागत के लिए बात करें.
No, he's done a great job for entire Mumbai and for Bandra. तो आई थिंक उनका ही ब्रेन चाइल्ड था ये कि जो लोकेशन पे हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर जो नॉर्मल पब्लिक आती है उनको ब्यूटिफिकेशन ब्यूटी दिखे. तो दैट इज व्हाई जस्ट गिविंग बैक टू द कम्युनिटी.
क्या क्या बना हुआ है जो हम कर देंगे आज क्या
वो अनवील होएगा बट इट इज इंस्पायर्ड बाय ज्वेलरी एंड इट इज मोर टू डू विद रिंग्स एंड डिफरेंट क्रिएटिविटी विद इन ज्वेलरी.
थैंक यू.
Just want to say congratulations to BMC and Sangeeta ma'am. I think public art is very intrinsic to the urban landscape of any city. So congratulations. And हम public art की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो मैं कहना चाहूँगी public safety इतनी important है और women's safety सिर्फ औरतों का इशू नहीं है, ये देश में सबका इशू होना चाहिए. And I want to take this opportunity to really say कि आज जो डॉक्टर मोमिता के साथ हुआ, it's horrible, it's infuriating, and I really hope that justice is not delayed and the harshest punishment is given. And I thought as Mauke pe it's very important for me to say that.
Sarita, what do you want to add to that? Shreya is here, Aditi is here.
That's a very important message that she shared, and we need to definitely, it's very important to do that. Regarding the sculptures, so it's called the rings, the circle of life. So I feel in life everything has a beginning and an end. So, and we've gone with the nature. So once it's unveiled, I think we'll be able to speak much better. So we'll speak about it.
Aditi, your thoughts?
Continuing that, such an important thing. It's disgusting. बेशर्मी की हद पार कर दी है. अभी और मैं कपूर साहब यही बात कर रहे थे, पनिशमेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उनको बीच बाजार में उतार के बुरी तरह उनको ठोकना चाहिए. I'm telling you this is from the core of my heart. It is मतलब not justice, utmost justice should be done over there. Coming back to this, we again talked about it. It should be done in every street of Bombay. It's very important.
Very commendable. Very happy to be here because I live in the same neighborhood over here. And to see such beautiful structures made by Sangeeta is going to be such a delight. And I think entire Mumbai should be handed over to this lady and should be made beautiful. It's a beautiful city and we deserve beautiful structures with a beautiful architect.
Yes.
So, like the title is the rings, the circle of life. So this, I feel everything in the universe itself is like a cycle. So if you see this side, it is the sun, which rises every day and sets every day. Then this side is on the sea, is the tides on the tides, the rise and the fall of the tides. So it's again a circle. Then that's the green one is about the trees. So everything starts with the seed and falls with the fruit. And the last one is about the mountains. So mountains life resemble like the human life. So there is a beginning and there is an end. So that is what the theme is.
Anil ji, what do you have to say on this occasion?
Hats off to the lady here. Remarkable, amazingly done. All I can say, जैसे कपूर साहब ने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा, she should be one brand ambassador for the city of Bombay, doing all this throughout Bombay. This is all what comes to my mind immediately.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Because it's all about life. That's what she said. और एक हकीकत है जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बयान की है, जिंदगी में एक सच्चाई यही है कि जिसको आना है उसको जाना जरूर है. That's what has been conceptualized here in the right manner. Heads off to you,
The
man.
beginning is the end and the end is the beginning.
That's it.
So that is the line.
Right. Rohan, we want to hear from you also. We want to hear you sing.
I am very happy today because I live very close by and I will be blessed and privileged to have Sangeeta use beautiful art all around us whenever we come and leave our house. So I feel
Thank you so much.
and I wish the entire Mumbai is handed over to her to make it beautiful. And, Mumbai is a beautiful city and needs to be more beautiful like beautiful artists like her. और इसमें क्या आपको
2 lines from you, anything.
15 अगस्त गई अभी कल हमारी आज को ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला वे रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे बसंती चोला जिस चोले को पहन शिवानी खेले अपनी जान से जिसे पहन झांसी की रानी मिट गई अपनी आन से आज वही वो पहन के निकला आज उसी को पहन के निकला हम मस्तों का टोला मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला